Are you facing challenges in migrating SQL Server databases from Azure to AWS? You're not alone. Many grapple with obstacles like the lack of support for change data capture in Azure SQL databases, making the migration process complex and daunting. There's also the issue of trying to ensure a seamless transition between SQL Server versions and editions, all while maintaining near-zero downtime. The task may seem overwhelming, even to seasoned cloud engineers. But don't worry, there's a solution that makes this process seamless and efficient. Introducing CloudBasic, a technology partner solution recommended for migrating Azure SQL databases. This cloud-native solution opens doors to the seamless migration of SQL Server databases, with support for all editions. Whether you're working with different versions or editions, CloudBasic has you covered. But the features don't stop there. It's also fully integrated with AWS services, making automated cutover and disaster recovery a breeze. With CloudBasic, you can migrate your SQL Server databases in near real time. So how does CloudBasic make the migration process easy? It starts with schema conversions, where CloudBasic seamlessly translates your database schema from Microsoft Azure to AWS. Then it uses change tracking methods to ensure that no data is lost during the migration process. In its continuous replication mode, CloudBasic duplicates your data in real time from Azure to AWS, allowing for a smooth transition. And finally, it monitors the migration, tracking any pending data and schema changes to ensure everything runs smoothly. As you can see, CloudBasic simplifies the migration process and ensures a near-zero downtime migration. But if you're still feeling overwhelmed, we are here to help. The migration process might seem daunting, but with M2B Solution's expertise, it becomes a breeze. We're not just a service provider, we're partners in your journey, ensuring a seamless, efficient, and secure transition from Azure to AWS using CloudBasic. Our skilled team understands all the intricacies of the process, and we're committed to minimizing downtime so your business operations never skip a beat. So why wait? Contact M2B Solution today for all your database migration needs.